Hi, Chris here, licensed technician at Midland Honda. Let's check out this 2020 Odyssey, stock number 24289A. I'm going to start with a walk around of the Odyssey on the hoist so we can have a good look at the tires and the brakes. We've just finished mounting some brand new all-season tires on the front and rear of the van here. Again, brand new all-season tires. Around the other side, I've got the wheels off so we can have a look at the brakes. We've just serviced the rear brakes here, and they are sitting at about 70% pad life left. And we've also serviced the front brakes, and they are sitting close to 80% pad life left. I've got the Odyssey up in the air here so we can have a good look underneath. I've gone and checked over the rear suspension. We don't have any broken springs or worn shocks or bushings. Coming up towards the front, we'll have a good look over, make sure there's no leaks in the exhaust and no damage or rust in the underbody. And I've also checked over the front suspension. We don't have any loose or worn tie rods or ball joints, and no worn bushings. Under the hood, we've changed the engine oil and filter, as well as flushing the brake fluid system and checking and topping up any other fluids needed. And this Odyssey has just passed the provincial safety inspection, as well as the 100-point Honda certified pre-owned inspection. Once again, I'm Chris. I'd like to thank you for checking out this Odyssey with me today. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Midland Honda or stop in for a test drive. Have a great day.